Welcome to watch today's fresh home. On Deauville Beach, a duplex in softwood enhanced with stainless steel. Facing the sea, this duplex designed by Baptiste Legué showcases light, sand-colored wood. Combined with polished concrete and stainless steel, it exudes an elegant, streamlined look. We are in Deauville, in a neo-Norman residence, as Baptiste Legué points out. This building is one of those found along the beach, built in the post-war period, all in concrete. The exterior architecture gives the impression of a bit of Normandy, but in reality it is a building from the 1960s, whose apartments had the advantage of being rather open-plan, explains the interior designer and founder of his eponymous studio. This advantage allowed his team to easily reinvent the plan of this 90-square-meter pied-à-terre, belonging to a couple who regularly wanted to escape the Parisian hustle and bustle.